Joe ebusuan mama kwa ba eba the fabulous zone so mesel so ye foforo na wo hwe fidie we ya de ba ko ahia yen pa the subscribe button no mesel ya na wa press one man so the be I release video bia on sabe kan 10 Joe Kumasi Asante Kotoko Chitafo and then some men ewo ho so the end the two menim no Al Hilal versus Asante Kotoko. The second leg game I was saying ke baso obi maso Omdurman ewo Sudan no. It was called off. You didn't change the winning Ebrem. The entire Koban say match in Intimi and Baswa. It was called off. Now and then you train the calf. The rule of the beba and I said the verdict out of the beba about that incident. They see you know. Now they are telling pa calf. You train calf and kasa. They mum the calf yeah. They say yet you have no co-release. Teams are qualified to the next round of the are qualified to the group stage of the CAF Champions League, no group stage of the CAF Champions League. Nako ba say na Al Hilal din akopiem. Al Hilal din akopiem. Our teams are qualified to the group stage, no, of the competition. Now when they say na mo CAF asem esi de abetum anim ye kasa mo mfi yen say asem no kra de omo no eye nsem hunu kra mo omo. Enti o man kasa ye ho kra no say o ma qualify Al Hilal to the group stage of the competition. We ni and asema aba ayade akotoko fans yayi ba obe ni den ye di bi ye obi no adi before na Al Hilal for so di bi ayen na ka ye den na the 22-man squad akose the kobo match enkofo no etimi aka kire say your players 8 and are tested positive for the COVID-19 test on year 98 no muntimi mobi with oti 8 free 22 ma acquire 14 no enye there endure the required number of players are waiting the abo match CAF adjusting we atum say and the kotoko yenye serious yentimi and raise 15 players say the cover match nti waje point no e dey ama Al Hilal as say you say Al Hilal and make it to the group stage. Enti the ebe say kotoko let's gather ourselves and come home. Name train the CAF Confederation Cup no e ho na sisi ebe ko akopie ye bebo one play off and the team na de bebo na nyamai ye modern say betimi aden ahye sa team no two leg affair nti ye bebo home and away ye modern say home and away no e betimi aden di nkunim na yetimi akopie me the group stage of the Confederation Cup. Champions League na yenya Confederation they say etimi group stage nem they were strengthening for mumbo modern e mo bia be mu hwe say ye de bi ye nkofo bi na nkofo bi nso de bia ye nti hwe say ye e mo bia be mu ma ye gather the vim na ye de call ho no ye keep that vim na na fan call the Confederation Cup nim. With God all things are possible. Ye fa mu sia say na ye hwe de besi Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye bende ye fa mu sia say for porcupines by porcupines.